You know what? There's nothing wrong of being a second wife. It's just that what I'm trying to say on that video, yung una kong pinost is, kung hindi ka ready or hindi talaga siya accepted ng mind mo na maging second wife, don't do it kahit na mahal mo yung tao. Kasi eventually, you're gonna be frustrated, magiging disappointed ka, at magiging unstable na yung mind mo kasi hindi mo kasi siya accepted from the very beginning. Okay, it is given na accepted siya sa Muslim religion, pero kung ikaw as a person, hindi mo talaga siya accepted. Kung hindi ka, I mean, I'm talking about ladies who are not Muslim. Obviously, kapag nasa Muslim religion ka, alam mo na may ganun talaga. Pero kung hindi pa, tapos you're in a dating relationship pa lang, please don't do it kung hindi talaga bukas sa loob mo. Kasi